Feast your eyes on a true automotive marvel, the 1939 Cadillac Convertible. This fully custom ride merges the classic design of a 1939 Cadillac and 1939 Buick, crowned with a chopped 1948 Buick folding top. The all-steel body is meticulously smoothed to perfection. With exterior mirrors removed, bumpers tucked and smoothed, and a flush-mounted windshield, this car boasts sleek, uninterrupted lines. The custom one-piece hood, molded running boards, and dazzling black cherry paint ensure it turns heads everywhere it goes. Beneath the hood roars a formidable 502 cubic inch V8 engine with street and performance-tuned port injection, coupled with a TH700R4 Automatic Overdrive transmission. This powerhouse delivers an exhilarating yet refined driving experience. Inside, luxury reigns supreme. Custom leather upholstery, power windows, and a smoothed Dakota digital dash offer unparalleled comfort and style. The Alpine stereo system and mahogany wood grain look aluminum trim add sophisticated touches. Rolling on 15-inch chrome wire, spoke wheels with Firestone wide white wall tyres. This Cadillac isn't just a car, it's a statement of timeless elegance and modern performance. Every detail of this 1939 Cadillac Convertible is crafted to provide an unmatched driving experience. This isn't just a car, it's a piece of automotive art, ready to make a statement wherever it goes.